For healthy nails and cuticles, it is essential to moisturize your cuticles. Our nails become damaged and susceptible to bacterial and fungal infections when cuticles aren't properly maintained. You can keep your cuticles soft and healthy by regularly applying cuticle cream to them. And to make your search easy, we've rounded up the 5 best cuticle creams that'll nourish your damaged nails with moisture. Now without further ado, let's jump into the video.
The trendy beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
The Clinique Deep Comfort Hand and Cuticle Cream is a suitable option for people who have sensitive skin. The rich, calming cream enhances the skin's moisture barrier against external factors. Furthermore, it increases the skin's ability to retain moisture so your hands will feel and look smoother. It also conditions cuticles and nails for a long time. From dry weather to frequent hand washing, this cream won't let you down. It provides your hands with 12 hours of hydration, and it's a fragrance-free, oil-free, and allergy-tested product that is ideal for those with sensitive skin. The Clinique Deep Comfort Hand and Cuticle Cream pleasantly surprises its users as it takes great care of dry hands and cuticles. The product also moisturizes the nail bed without being greasy in nature. But as it goes, some users still didn't like the cream. Now it's time to rate this product. In case of user acceptance and value, we easily give it 5 stars, but the product is a bit pricey, so it'll get 4 stars on that. If you're looking for anti-aging cuticle cream, then this Butter London QuickFix Moisturizing Cuticle Balm might be the right choice for you. It is enriched with antioxidants to prevent skin aging and dehydration. And its phospholipids assist in retaining the moisture of your skin. Featuring an ultra-moisturizing coconut and avocado formula, this no-mess massager nourishes dry cuticles and hugs them with maximum absorption. Furthermore, it contains vitamin E, an antioxidant that fights aging by moisturizing your skin and guarding it against inflammation and free radical damage. The product comes in a tube with an easy-to-use tip for easy and mess-free application. The Butter London QuickFix Moisturizing Cuticle Balm has earned the trust of many users as it takes care of dry and crusty cuticles quite well, and the product provides the right amount of moisture minus the oiliness. But then again, some users didn't have a great experience with this product. Moving on to the ratings, we gladly give it 5 stars when it comes to value and price, but in the case of acceptance, it'll get 4 stars only. Moving on to our next product. It's the Sally Hansen Cuticle Massage Cream, which is the perfect intensive conditioning treatment for rough, ragged cuticles and hangnails. With just one application, it tames, conditions, and soothes your cuticles without leaving a greasy residue behind. The cream contains apricot oil to moisturize rough cuticles and soothe sore hangnails. Additionally, this rich emollient cream absorbs quickly and prevents cracking and drying. By using this cuticle massage cream with apricot oil, your cuticles will feel more moisturized and soothed. For long-lasting hydration, you only need to massage a small amount into your cuticles. If you use this cuticle cream for a couple of weeks, your nails will grow out healthier than ever before. Users on Amazon absolutely love this cuticle cream as it has a refreshing citrus fragrance and an ideal consistency to treat dry cuticles. They also appreciate how it is not greasy in nature. But besides that, a few users didn't really like the smell of this cream. Time to rate this product now. We highly admire the quality and effectiveness of this product at such an affordable price, so we'll give it 5 out of 5 stars from all 3 aspects. If you wish to keep your cuticles healthy using nothing but all-natural products, try Burt's Bees Lemon Butter Cuticle Cream. Its key ingredient, lemon oil, will help your nails smell clean and fresh. Known for its astringent and cleansing benefits, lemon oil also has a natural, refreshing scent. As its name implies, the cream smells like freshly squeezed lemons that'll revive your senses. It also contains sweet almond and sunflower oils, cocoa seed butter, and vitamin E to hydrate, moisturize, and soften nails and cuticles. It absorbs quickly and doesn't leave a sticky residue. This formula contains no petroleum or parabens. Besides, you can also use it as a lip balm to keep your lips moist. Thousands of users love this cream due to its soothing properties, claiming that it quickly soothes rough cuticles. This cream strengthens thin nails, preventing them from breaking and splitting. But a few users complained that they didn't notice any difference after using the cream. Let's take a look at the ratings now. We love this product for its organic ingredients, affordability, and value, so it'll get 5 out of 5 stars in total. Our top pick for today's video is the Deborah Lippmann The Cure Cuticle Repair Cream, which is a great option for softening and repairing your cuticles. This ultra-nourishing cuticle cream soothes dry and cracked cuticles. It is featured with a potent dose of raspberry stem cell extract, red algae, shea butter, sodium hyaluronate, as well as vitamins A, C, and E that'll nourish your dry, damaged cuticles very well. Even if your nails are polished, they can penetrate them. This formula provides nourishment and healing, and it helps in repairing the look of damaged cuticles. Users are in love with this product as it dissolves cuticles quite easily while providing instant results. Plus, they loved how the cream took care of their dry cuticles and nail beds. But a few users were a bit disappointed with their purchase. Now it's our turn to rate this cream. We absolutely adore this product for its formulation, and it is also quite affordable. So overall, we're going to give it 5 out of 5 stars. So, that was all about the 5 best cuticle creams that'll nourish your damaged nails with moisture. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos, and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.